What up, Supernova Strike here with Danilo, my good sir.
Switching to some music.
Yeah, this is David. I'm David. I'm sorry. My mistake, people. So there's a train coming by. There's a train going over there. And every day, while slaves are being slaughtered and carted. If you guys know where that's from, tell me. Because I know where it's from, and you guys can obviously tell me that. Just remember, if you know where that line's from, and every day while slaves were being slaughtered and carted, just tell me, guys, if you know it. You probably have.
That's all I gotta say. And the thing is, your choices are pretty diverse.
Alright. Come on, Danilo, we gotta get out of here, dude. So, gets risky at night. Trader Joe's. This is what the newest building that came to town and country. It's been open for several years now. Oh, we'll put a cart there. Come on, dude. There, go. Standing in line to see the show tonight, and there's a light on. Okay, guys, why am I singing Red Hot Chili Peppers? This is weird. Okay. Heading over to the bike path on this little bike here. You can take out your headphones so we can talk.
Huh?
Take out your headphones so we can make another video. Huh? Take out your headphones so we can make another video. Yeah, you have to listen to me, dude. Because in case a train comes or whatnot. He's coming. So, alright, so, I broke out. Oh, yeah, one's out, yeah. So, hopefully the train. Oh, yes! So I was about to say, if a train comes, we'll see it really good. I probably should get some because that glow on the fence over there by the train station right there. That was impressive. We got a train. That's cool. How you doing, dude? Good. Yeah, we're on our way back to my house. Hopefully we won't get into too much danger. Hopefully not. Let's see what we got coming. There's a bike path. Any trains yet? I hear something, guys. Well, I'll be another train. What have we got here, guys? Looks like another train's coming around the curve, eh? That is impressive. It's a baby bullet, I think. Baby bullet. Another shot with two trains in it. What luck?